Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I am here today with a quick share to show you how to use up your scraps at the end of a project. And if you've seen recently, I did a project with those things. And I will link it here shortly. But I just make sure I have adhesive on that paper laying down on my desk. And then I take the strips and randomly place them down. I haven't undone the tape for the adhesive yet because I want to lay down my pieces to make sure I like how they lay. So I try to keep them, in the order. And now you see I'm taking the adhesive off the back of the paper and then laying them kind of down how I had them with the, when I did my prototype-ish layout. So now you have them all down. I just cut around to get it to the same size as a base, which is 3 3/4 by 5. And then I'm just arranging some more stuff from the collection that I used, which was the card club kit for February from the Stamps of Life. It featured dragonflies. But yeah, so you can just use a bunch of your scraps to make that background there for the card, for any card, and then decorate it up. But it's a good way to just recycle your paper and, get the most out of your paper. Some paper we pay a lot of money for. So I'm just adding the adhesive to the sentiment and adding the dragonflies on the sentiment and the flowers how I want them. I am going to add this to an A2 size card base after I put these green faceted gemmies on. I thought I was going to use those chipboard flowers, but I decided not to in the end. So there is the card base that I am attaching it to. I will add my personal stamp on the back, and that will do it. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!